piano in the building.
Jingle bell.
Yes, you read the title right. This is a dual vlog, but I'll get into that in a little bit later. But first, I'm wearing a 16-year-old shoe. I hope it doesn't fall off on me. Right there. And I got my yellow note on my tank. And I got some things to say. Roll the intro. As you read the title, it is a duo vlog, but you may be asking, with whom? I don't know, some guy I found on the street. Where is he? Hey yo, you've seen the motovloggers around here?
Nope, haven't seen one.
There you have it. We got Gene 1ZX here, or ano bang tinawag sa'yo ni Genox?
Ano ba yan, Gene? Sabi niya, Gene E yun. What the f***? Gene E, what the f***, bro?
Gene Eox. Actually, this is the second time that motovlogger is gonna be doing a collaboration, because I did it first with Res Manila.
Oh yeah.
You can check his channel for that video. We're here, we got Gene, we got the bad weather, we got 2 motorcycles, and let's rock it.
2 bikes with 2 gay guys riding it. Oh my god.
When he says gay guys, he's just referring to himself.
Oh, so it's just a gay guy then?
I'm a man.
Oh my god. Like, oh my god, dude.
So stick ka lang siguro, mga 5 meters, 10 meters.
Okay.
Kaya salta ako ng salta, hindi na naman ako nagre-record.
Sabi yung coffee, nasa sistema ko na. Bro, that exhaust, man.
Itigisan ka na naman ba?
Yeah.
This is a R-rated motovlog.
Oh yeah.
Courtesy of Mr. Gene 1ZX back there. Kasi usually PG-13 lang talaga ako pero sige.
Okay.
For one day, it's gonna be an R-rated
gay motovlog.
Alright, fine, I'll be gay for a day too. I guess that's okay.
Why do we always talk about gay people?
Guess we're gay. That's what gay people does.
You know how I know that you're gay?
How? Because you're gay and you can tell who other gay people are?
You know how I know you're gay?
How?
You like Coldplay.
Oh, and there's nothing wrong about being gay.
Yeah, there ain't nothing wrong. I mean, I could be gay. You could be gay.
I could be gay, but don't tell my wife.
It's actually the attitude of being gay or not. Yeah, just like this. Look. Look. Oh yeah. Smack that ass. There ain't nothing gay about that.
Exactly. So, we're just out here having fun. Huwag kayong ma-open. Kung na-open kayo, stop watching. Stay tuned for the next episode. Saan ba tayo?
I actually have no idea, bro.
Oo nga pala.
I'm from the south. You should be guiding me, asshole. Yeah, from here, your ass is pretty much clear to me.
Like that? Yeah.
Let me have some of the sugar.
Later.
I'm kind of nervous right now.
Lika rito, tingnan mo yung plaka na itong si Kuya.
Wait, what?
Basahin mo.
Oh my god! Fuck, bro. Wait, let me ask this guy. Kuya, saan mo nakuha yung plaka mo? Saan mo nakuha yung plaka mo?
Meron ko lang ito sa pamangkin ko.
Ay, sa pamangkin mo. Ayos eh.
Dito ako nagkakando.
Go.
Yeah.
So I guess the bike's not his.
Yeah, it's his nephews, I guess.
Sa tinanong mo kung alam niya ibig sabihin nun. Grabe.
I don't think he has no idea, bro.
That's funny. I'll leave a link down in the description for Gene's YouTube channel. You should check him out.
Yeah, if you want something to watch, like say an asshole on the road, that's me. There's another kamote rider out in the road.
So like I said, go check out his channel. He's got some videos on his channel that you might like.
Yeah, watch my build series on this bike. On this bike.
Let me take a shot of you. Yeah, on that bike he's making.
Because it's fucking piece of shit.
No, it's not.
It's a crap bike, actually.
It's running and you're humping it sometimes.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
yeah. Dude, sabi ko, tama na eh.
Damn! Oh shit! I didn't get that! What the f***? Dude! Again! Dude, that was so unexpected.
I thought you caught it.
Alright, take two. Oh!
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding dirty, trying to catch me riding.
Magandang slow mo yun.
Yeah.
That's sick, dude. That is sick.
We're just having fun, bro.
Ako naman.
Oh yeah. Do it.
Now! I don't want to lose my bike.
Do it, come on.
I'll do it.
Oh yeah. that kind of do it.
Laro lang tayo sa EDSA.
Yeah. It's actually fun being in EDSA.
It is.
Especially when there's traffic or it's a holiday.
Actually, I've been meaning to ask some motorcycle riders or motovloggers, what is your take about the motorcycle lane in EDSA? Since we're in EDSA right now, might as well.
Yeah, let's talk about that shit.
There you have it. In one word, he described how he feels about the motorcycle lane.
Because for me, one thing's for sure, I hate it, bro.
Everyone does.
This Sena is good.
It is it is doing good actually.
Yeah, it is good, bro.
Ako lang kasi natryan na with the distance, kasi usually with my wife riding behind me.
Close proximity is alright, but at this distance, dude, I can hear you clearly. This is actually good shit. I just like women's body, I guess.
Every guy in this freaking world loves porn. I admit it. I even like porn myself.
That is some issues, bro. You have some issues.
No, that's not an issue. That's a normal behavior for a guy.
What? Ah! Good way. What's that?
May mga MMDA. So you were saying?
I forgot. I saw the MMDA and then I suddenly freeze. I go MMDA. Yeah, by the way, that is just an expression, right? I'm not saying MMDA. It's just an expression, guys.
Expression. Just, be open-minded, please.
I'm just expressing my feelings. I'm just saying MMDA.
Ilang kaya dislike ang makukuha ko rito sa video na to?
Yeah, check out JMX channel. I'll be posting also a description.
Channel ko to, oy. Like I said, go to Gene's channel. I'll even flash it on the screen. This is his YouTube channel address.
Yeah, check it out.
Go to one of his channel and comment #Gene, you suck, but I like you.
Oh yeah, I love that comment.
Like I said, help him out. He's a great motovlogger. He just doesn't have any time on uploading videos. Is that right? You don't have time?
Yeah, actually I've been quite busy at work.
Aww. Should I put a sad music while you're speaking about it?
Yeah, I don't have time for motovlogs. Oh my god. Because my boss always telling me, Gene, go back to work. You don't have the time to rest. Go back to your desk and do that job.
Okay na sana eh. Nagalit ka pa eh. Paano pa mag-aano yung sad music doon sa sinabi mo na yan?
I haven't been really uploading. Uploading? What?
Uploading? What? That's a new word. Uploading.
It only goes to show that I want to get laid. My uploads are late because of work. I can't deny that because having some manpower issues in the company, there's not much people around to replace my shift. It's really quite a struggle for me for like uploading or editing my videos, so I'm kind of sad about that.
With all the things that you just said, I'm just gonna put like 3 words in the video. I'm gonna cut everything else.
What the bro? What the fuck? And I thought you were sincere. You
I
asshole.
am.
Asshole.
Just wait for my video.
I'm gonna look forward to it.
So kidding aside, go check out his channel. Oh, and by the way, I said I was gonna say something or announce something. I'm talking about the MMU 2018.
Oh yeah, MMU.
The only details that I can tell you is that it's gonna be on January something. We don't know the specific date yet, but be sure to look out for the MMU 2018. I'm gonna be more elaborate on my next video on Sunday, to be specific. Or you what the fuck? How can anyone do a dual vlog with a person like this? It gets you distracted.
Let's go, bro. Let's go.
What the f? Like I said, MMU 2018, that perverted guy, Gene1ZX, is gonna be there also. If you guys want to meet us, if you guys want to meet your favorite motovloggers, come check us out. I'll be releasing the place of meetup on my next video, so better stay tuned for that. So on other note, I got my sticky note here. Diretso lang tayo, diretso sa kanan. Diretso na natin ang monumento.
Oh my god.
So let me do the shout out first, because I said I was gonna do the shout out a couple of videos back, but I didn't. So shout out to Jimmy Dunote.
Oh yeah.
Tommy Bulaon. If you guys remember that video with my wife when we went
Hey,
to
MMDA. Hello, MMDA. Love you guys. Mama.
If you guys remember that video that we went to, I think it was our last motovlog. I said to you guys, if you guys can remember the last motovlog episode that I was there, and these 2 gentlemen guessed it right, so I'm giving them a shout out. And last but not the least, a shout out to Rutherford Hernandez.
Dude, stop shouting at my ears.
You know there's a volume rocker right on your Sena.
Oh yeah. I totally forgot.
Hernandez is from my hometown province of Bambang, Nueva Vizcaya.
Where do we head now?
No, go around. Here. Woo.
Oh, sorry.
Let's go to Caloocan or something.
Yeah. I actually haven't been there. Woohoo!
The expression then, get your head out of your butt.
What? Get your head out of the...
Out
Get
the-
your head...
What the
I don't even know what I'm saying.
You know what? 60% of the time I don't know what I'm saying. So you're all good.
Actually, 60% of the time I'm riding, I'm sleeping.
So ba tayo? Di ako familiar dito eh.
So are we there yet?
Who are you, Paula?
Are we
Paula rides.
Paula rides?
What's your ano nga pala? What's your first impression of Paula?
Slow. That's it, just one word.
Oh man!
Slow.
So that was the first time that you met him, right?
Yeah, that was the first time. Tatawagin mo sana siyang Paula eh.
Paula rides. If you guys are wondering who we're talking to, I'm gonna leave his channel link down in the description. It's kind of a dick move if I don't put his channel link down in my description.
But for me, you can say some shit about me.
Well, you then. Let's turn right.
Right, okay. Tabi ate, baka masagasaan kayo dyan. Because my ass is better.
Exactly. Show it.
Oh,
There you go.
yeah.
That's
yeah.
that's his MMU 2018 logo right there.
Yeah. Gotta promote MMU.
Gusto ko talaga dumaan dito ever since pa eh.
Check out this car with a Hello Kitty.
Where? Wait.
Hi Kitty.
Thumbnail, say it like that. And there's nothing wrong about Hello Kitties.
Yeah, I wear Hello Kitty briefs, underwear.
Check it out.
No, seriously, I have a boxer shorts with a Hello Kitty on my ass.
I hope this gets you subscribers, man. Oh, if you guys want to see that underwear, go to his channel. You won't see that here. Go to his channel and comment to one of his videos and say, asan na yung Hello Kitty brief mo?
I'm not ready to reveal my private me.
Where the f*** are we?
To the harbor on the left side. Yeah, that's where we're headed right now.
Ang lapas natin na ito sa Mena na Intramuros, alright?
Yeah. Sa Intramuros?
Oh yeah, nakapunta na ba doon?
Alin, sa loob?
Oo, hindi, sa labas.
Parang wala na yung Smoky Mountain. Yeah, there it is.
Is it? Is this it?
Ayun o.
Oh no! Oh no, we got boats! Oh, you didn't see the boats?
What? The boat? The boat?
A boat!
The boat?
And a boat!
Daming boat!
Ang daming boat!
Wait. My ass is itchy.
Dude!
It's probably because of that long ride.
If you guys don't know, Gene is from Binyan, diba? Binyan?
Yeah, Binyan.
He's from Binyan, Laguna. So he had to ride all the way north.
Down north? That
Yeah.
is that right? Down north? No.
Down north, up north.
Up north? That's stupid. Down north. What's wrong with you, Gene?
He had to ride up north just to meet me, you know, do a dual vlog with me.
Oh,
I'm gonna put a sweet music there. Hold on, hang on.
that
Wait.
is
So you kissed my hand, so that makes me the girl? What the fuck? Dude, the trash business here is no joke.
yeah, it's serious here, down here. Oh God, shit! No.
Take your time. Now take your time. There you go.
Yeah, the starter is
Where is it?
busted.
Where is it?
Oh, fuck. Oh my God, it's dead. Oh shit. Actually, oh my God.
Oh yeah, had
Some tuning issues.
Don't worry, just take your time.
Oh, dude.
Ayaw. There you go! Woohoo!
Woo, it's alive. Fuck. Way too fast for me, bro. Way too fast.
Whoa. Oh, that was close. Kudos to Gene back there for, you know, come seeing me for this dual vlog. And I'm in the back of this f***ing trash truck and it stinks.
I want to also thank J-Mac for including me on this episode of his. Thank you, bro. Just taking a selfie. Take a picture of me. Oh my God. Oh, motovloggers. Oh, I'm getting so hard.
So, like I said, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Yeah, the sound thing.
Yeah. Oh, my ass is kind of sore.
Take two. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Go check out Gene's channel and subscribe to his, and also subscribe to me. Hit that like button, do the comment.
If I remember it correctly,
Did you just go
What?
like that?
Yeah. 'Cause I-
Dude, let me end my vlog already.
End it.
If you guys like this dual vlog, you know, comment, do another comment like, yo, J-Mac, we want to see more of Gene, you know, or we want to see more. I know you guys want to see a dual vlog with my wife, but that's coming soon.
Coming, yeah, coming.
Coming, yeah, like
Yeah.
coming,
Like coming.
coming.
like coming.
And thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on Sunday. Bye bye, Gene. Bye bye.
bro.
Yeah. Yeah. There you go. Alright.
That is awesome.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.